Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to create an account and use Leetcode for absolute beginners. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Leetcode. You'll be getting the first link over here. Click that and you need to create an account. So just click on create account. You can sign in with your email ID or you can go with your Google account or GitHub or Facebook. I would recommend you to go with the direct Google account because you don't have the hassle of remembering another password. So you can just click here, and once you sign in, you'll be getting an interface like this. You can just choose which one suits you and click on next. And your coding skills, I'm a beginner, I'll just go with beginner and select next. And choose the topics which you are interested on. Let me choose mine. And just click on next. And just skip it for now and click on start. And this is the explore page of Leetcode. You'll be having this crash courses offered by Leetcode. If you want, you can just pay them and use it. So as you can see here, each course offered by them is paid, and you're also having this Leetcode's interview crash course. And at the bottom, you're having tutorials offered by them, but these are all paid. So as you can see here, this is premium. So if you don't want to go with the premium one, we can also try using the normal free features. For example, to the top you'll be having this problems. You can just click here, and this is where the main deal is. If you scroll down, here we will be having the list of problems in Leetcode. So as you know, the problems are categorized based upon their difficulty. So here we are having a filter. If you want to go with easy problems, you can just select the easy ones and all the easy problems will be getting filtered. And apart from this, if you want to remove a filter, you can just cancel that filter, that will go off. And next one is the Leetcode curated SQL problems, the top 100 light questions. If you want to solve that first, like selected questions, you can do that. And next is the status, whether it is stalled or attempted. And here we will be having the tags. This is also a really important thing. So by this way, we will be able to choose the problems under a specific topic. For example, if you want to solve array related problems, DP problems, math, sorting or database, you can just select any topic of your choice. We have so much of topics available over here. For example, let me go with stack, and I'll be getting all the stack related problems in my screen. And after that, you can also apply some difficulty level, like multiple filters at the same time, or else you can directly type the question and solve. And apart from that, if you want to like filter, here also we are having specific for JavaScript, shell, database. So much customizable and so many filters available over here. And to the right, you are having the trending companies. So basically you will be having the questions that were asked in the famous top organizations like Meta, Amazon, Google. So if I click Google, I think this is a paid feature at the moment. So if you want, you can pay and use it. So I'll just come back. And here also we will be having some selected problems. You can just go through those. And if you scroll down, we'll be having how many problems we have solved in easy, medium and hard. And as a total, we are having around 3,460 problems in all the categories. So let me go with array topic and let me have the difficulty as easy. And we are having this to sum. So just click here. And you can choose the interface how you want it. I will just go with code editor and click this. So skip the tour. So this is how our interface will look like. To the left, we will be having the question along with the constraints and sample input and output. And to the right, we will be having the code area and also a space to view our test cases. And here also we will be having some hints, the companies. This is available for premium feature only. Similar questions, discussions. You can just go through these stuff in case if you don't know the answer, or in case if you want other people's point of view or thinking, you can just go through this discussion, comment upward, quite similar to Reddit. You can just go through those. And what if you don't know the solution for a particular problem? So in that case, you are having at the top solutions. So here also many people can share their own solutions in different languages. For example, this one has Java, Python, C++ and JavaScript. So if you like any of the posts, basically the posts with more views and more upwards will be the better one, will be the most optimized solution because we want it optimized. Nobody likes to run code in big O of n square time complexity, so we need the most optimized code over here. So here I'm having the solution for C++. So what I can do is I'll just copy this and put it over here. So you need to just type the code over here, and you can just click on run at first because it will run the test cases. It needs to pass. So as you can see here, this code is passing all the test cases. Once you are confident with your code, you can just click on submit. So as you can see here, it has accepted the solution, and it beats 43% of all the other people who have submitted this problem in terms of runtime, and it has bet 60% of the people who have submitted the exact same problem in memory. So you can just go around, see other solutions and then try running it. That's totally fine. And if you want to go to see your past submissions of the exact same problem, you're having this submissions tab. Click here. So as you can see here, I just recently submitted this literally few seconds ago. And if you want to analyze the code that you have given, like how much efficient your code is, you can just use this past submissions. So now we have solved this, right? If I come to the home screen, go to problems, and if I scroll down, as you can see here, I have solved a easy problem, the first problem that I solved. So that's pretty much it with this problem screen. And you're also having the discuss tab. Nothing much over here. Most of them will just use to have a common question or a topic, and just for some discussions you can just see it. And next is the contest. If you want to join this contest, there's a weekly contest or a bi-weekly contest. You can just join these and compete with other great programmers around the world. And in case if you want the premium account, you are having the option over here, premium, and this is how it's billed yearly. For yearly subscriptions, around $13.25 per month, and for monthly subscription it's around $35 per month. So I would recommend you to go with the yearly subscription, which comes around a grand total of $159, but it's really worth in case if you are serious about a job, and in case you are going to put your 100% in Leetcode, then you're going to make this $159, to be honest, in your first paycheck itself. So it's totally worth it in case if you are really serious. Okay, you can just go with the premium subscription, in my opinion. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's Leetcode, and good luck on your programming and stuff. Do check the playlist. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.